We're talking today about Pilates and weight loss. This is a question I get so often. People ask, can Pilates help me lose weight? So first off, yes, any form of exercise can help you lose weight depending on how it's used, depending on the person, depending on a myriad of factors. But yes, when you're looking at exercise and movement and how you incorporate it with what you're eating and your lifestyle and stress and your age and all of those things, of course, Pilates can help you lose weight. But I want to dig a little deeper here and tell you why you will actually never hear me talk about weight loss or promising weight loss when I talk to you about my workouts or my programs. You're not going to see big headlines about helping you lose weight. And the reason is, one, because everybody is different. That is not a promise that I can ethically make for you, because everybody is different and how the program is used is different. But also, even more than that, weight loss is not my main goal for my clients. If that's a goal you have for yourself, I absolutely respect that. And if I'm working with you one-on-one, I'm going to help you achieve that in whatever way I can as a physical therapist and as a Pilates teacher. But that is not going to be my goal for you. As a teacher, as a movement educator, I want to support you wherever you are right now. I want to help you feel stronger. I want you to feel more confident. I want you to feel more empowered in the body that you have. If you have been fighting injuries or disease throughout your life or recently, I want you to have tools to help feel strong even within that. I also want you to have fun with your workouts. That's a big part of what we do here. Is I want you to be able to laugh. I want you to be able to laugh at me sometimes watching me do moves. I want you to be able to laugh at yourself and with yourself. I want you to be able to try new things because you feel some freedom in your body and that you know how to modify if needed and how to change things up and try new things. I want you to be able to get on and off the floor independently. I want you to be able to lift your suitcase up into the overhead bin of an airplane. I want you to be able to run across the street if needed. I want you to be able to do what you want to do in your life, and I want you to be able to do it with some joy and with belief in your body that you're able to do those things. And even if they're not in your wheelhouse, there are certain things that just aren't going to happen for me because of my history of prolapse and surgeries and things like that. So there are certain moves that I'm not going to do, but I know how to find other movements. I know how to feel strong in my body in the ways that feel safe to me, in the ways that feel fun. And that is what I want as a teacher, and that is what Pilates is so good for in my mind. It is a gateway to helping you find that freedom and that power and that strength and that confidence. Pilates will help you feel better at everything else you do. It will give you body awareness. It will help you feel better in your posture, which can translate into other things. It can help with pain relief depending on what's going on in your body. And really what Pilates did for me years and years and years and years ago is it gave me such confidence in knowing how to move that it opened up other doors for me to try new and different things. It made other movement things feel doable, and that was exciting to me. It helps me recover from surgery. For the 3 surgeries I've had, it's helped me throughout pregnancy and after giving birth. It's helped me with stress relief. So that is what Pilates I feel like can do. So can it help for weight loss? Absolutely. It is a strengthening exercise. It will help you build muscle if you're consistent with it. It will use your body weight as resistance. It can help with mobility, all of these amazing things, which can translate to weight loss. But again, I want you to think a little bit deeper into why you're doing it, and that will help you stay consistent as well. And I got an email actually this morning from one of my Unlimited members that I want to read to you, because it translates kind of everything I just said and what we're about here at Jessica Valant Pilates. So I'm going to read it to you. She says, "Hi, I just wanted to take a minute to express gratitude. The program is great, but it's more than just that. When you say to work with the body you have today, and it's okay if you can't do everything, it has been so powerful. Thank you for holding a space where an overweight middle-aged woman with chronic pain like myself can not only find a suitable exercise program, but start to change the toxic narrative and sense of shame that has plagued me my entire life. It's changing my relationship with myself as a result, and I find it easier to stick with the program. This is why I do what I do. Because of this, because to me, the more we feel that, the more we can release any sense of shame we have, the more we can release the fact that we don't believe in our bodies, that we are ashamed, that we don't think that we can get stronger. The more we can release that and step into the strength that we all have, and you do have it, I promise, the more you can step into that mental strength, physical strength, belief in yourself, then the more you actually will have to offer to others. I truly believe that, and I believe movement can be a door to that for us. So thank you for staying to listen. Thank you for being here. I truly believe in your internal strength. I believe in your ability, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.